Welcome back to AUTOID TV, and today you join us with this very sleeper looking M140. Underneath it's got a whole host of mods which we're going to go through, but we're also in today's video going to go through what are the most essential mods for your M140. And in order to go through it, Mr. Taylan over here, who is a new member of the AUTOID team, former 6 years at BMW himself.
Yes, 6 years at BMW.
So Taylan's going to be joining us from our sales department, so any questions to do with products or services that we offer, he's going to be the man to answer those questions. So yeah, without any further ado, mate,
right, let's jump into it.
Okay, so Tay, take us round what you've done to your 140 already and show us some of the most important mods.
So as soon as I bought the car, handling was a big issue because I've had one of these before, so I know how they are. From standard, they come with an open diff, so this does pose a bit of an issue when it comes to handling. So the first thing I bought was the M Performance LSD, which in turn has absolutely transformed the car. After that, of course, you can see here there is quite a big drop there.
It's very low, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a low. It's
a low.
It's a low. It's a low. So we've dropped the car on BC Racing BR coilovers. This is in preparation for my track days. So to be honest with you, I went for a ton of handling mods to begin with.
What have you actually done on the bonnet? Because at the moment it looks standard, but it ain't standard, is it?
It's not standard. Okay. This car is running Stage 2 Plus software at the moment. We've got a little downpipe down there. Yeah. Don't know if you can see that.
Catless downpipe.
Yep, catless downpipe down there. And just up here, I've cut away some of this foam padding just to fit the Supra B58 TU fuel pump there.
Oh, so it just pumps in a lot more fuel.
Yeah, tons more fuel.
So you'd say the map is one of the most important mods then?
Yeah, I think the map combined with all the handling mods has really made me fall in love with this car. It's never going to be an M car, you know, so at the end of the day, I think the main thing to do with these cars is to get them as good as you can get them. I do think they're the perfect daily.
Say one thing though, Tay, what on earth is going on with the back end of this car and what on earth are them exhaust tips?
So I parked my car in a multi-storey car park.
Yep.
And someone nicked my exhaust tip. But I thought it would be a better idea just to leave them off the car.
Yeah, no.
Proper sleeper.
It's got a downpipe on it at the moment, right?
Yes, it does.
Let's hear what it sounds like.
Let's hear what it sounds like.
Sounds good, it drives good, it don't look good, let's make it look good.
Let's make it look good.
Let's get in the workshop now.
Let's get in the workshop.
So here's the stuff that's going to be going on Taylan's car today, and it's the full Zero kit. This rear diffuser is literally an essential mod, because as you can see it's so much more aggressive than this. Taylan's also got some replacement exhaust tips which are a little bit bigger to go over the top of these ones. And then it's the Zero front splitter, gloss black Zero side skirts, AUTOID Essentials, rear spoiler, gloss black one, and the AUTOID Essential wing mirrors. So as you can see, these ones on the 140, they are silver. They come silver on all the 140s unless it's a shadow edition, and they're going to be changed out to the gloss black ones today. On the ramp now, we're just going to get started with ripping off this rear diffuser first of all. And to do that, we need to remove the arch liners to gain access to the bumpers, get the bumper off, and then we'll take the old diffuser out and pop the new diffuser in. Now we're just getting the rear diffuser clipped into the rear bumper like so. So now that's all clipped in, Kai's just going to go grab some bolts and we're just going to secure the rear diffuser in with bolts. That way it's all clipped in and it's nice and tight. Just getting the rear bumper slotted back on now. Looks so much better with this rear diffuser though. So now the rear diffuser's on, just working the way around the front, getting the new Zero gloss black front splitter on. So the front splitter is now fitted. What we're going to do is work our way over to the wing mirrors. So now we're going to get these silver wing mirrors swapped out for the AUTOID Essential gloss black ones right now. Factory caps popped out, new ones ready to go on. So now they've been replaced with the gloss black wing mirrors. Massive difference. Lovely touch for these. So now if we're looking from the back, bottom part looks amazing, top part looks like a bald bloke. So we are going to be fitting the gloss black rear spoiler now. Kai's just getting everything prepped ready for that to go on. So this spoiler's super easy to fit, literally just installs with 3M tape. There's just about 4 lots of strips of 3M tape which these come prepped with. We've also got Carl down here at the moment. We can actually show you a sneak preview of these wheels. So these are the Dillinger LF1 full carbon barrel wheels, absolutely insane. I'm actually doing a shoot on a McLaren 765 LT they're going on. So we got Carl down here to mount the tyres on it because he's the only bloke we actually trust with them. And he's done a good job so far. So far. So it looks a little bit better, doesn't it now, Tay?
It looks 10 times better. I really don't like the blue. So all of the black now make it look 10 times better. I'm absolutely in love with it.
I don't think the blue's bad now it's got a kit on it.
No, it's not. The mirrors and everything. With a sunroof, I think it looks nice.
Yeah, it contrasts really well with all the black stuff that we've put on it. But I think the biggest difference
Is the rear end.
is the rear end. Like the rear end now.
Oi, I've got exhaust tips!
The rear end now actually looks really good.
Yeah.
And it's all it really is on the back is just two mods. Just a rear diffuser and a spoiler. And it makes a hell of a difference.
It looks lovely. So throughout April 2023, we're actually going to be offering this Zero kit on a free fitting package. So if you do want your 140 to look like this, all you got to do is buy the kit from us and book it in and you'll get free fitting.
That's only going to last just over April 2023, guys. So if you end up watching this video in like 3 years time, please, it's just April 2023 because we want to get a lot more cars on the road with this kit because this kit is really good and the quality on it is, if not the same as OEM. Tay's going to be on the channel a lot more as he is the new sales guy. Man's waving in the background. Catch you guys on the next one.